has had been a very wonderful experience for all of you. We are yet to begin with the official program, sir. Okay. So our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohun University is here with us. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohun University, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi, respected Chairman, Postgraduate Council, FMU, Professor Munish Chandra Adhikari, Director, Research and Development, Fakir Mohun University, the esteemed members of the jury of the Research Conclave 2021 organized by FMU, Chief guest of today's event, Dr. Ramchandra Giri, Principal, Fakir Mohun Medical College, Convener, Research Conclave and the committee members, senior professors and colleagues, research scholars from various disciplines, students from different subjects and participants, volunteers, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you present here. I request the delegates to kindly come over the dais and take your respective seats. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. So when you see in the mirror, you only look at your point of view. But when the mirror is turned into window, you see the whole is to see what everybody else has seen and at the same time think what nobody else has thought. Such brainstorming, academic get-togethers not only give us a platform to showcase our work but also leads to interaction and exchange of ideas, thereby encouraging interdisciplinary research activities. It motivates budding researchers, instills research attitude and gives chance to give directions over one's loopholes and limitations. So with this, I would like to request Chairman PG Council, Fakir Mohun University, Professor Munish Chandra Adhikari to kindly come over and deliver the welcome address. Sir.
So, at the outset, I request our Vice Chancellor, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi, sir, to preside over today's meeting. So with due permission, may I allow to welcome the welcome address, sir? Thank you. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭ ଅପରାହ୍ନ। ଫକୀର ମୋହନ ବିଶ୍ୱବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ମୁକ୍ତ ରଙ୍ଗମଞ୍ଚ ତଥା ସଭାମଞ୍ଚରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗବେଷଣା ସମ୍ମିଳନୀ ଉପଲକ୍ଷେ Honorable Professor Ramchandra Giri sir, our Director R&D Research and Development, Professor Sabyasachi Patnaik sir, and the convener of today's gathering occasion, Dr. Nihar Ranjan Rao, and the committee members of the today's occasion, so-called Dr. Padmancha Rautray, Dr. Santosh Kumar Agrawal, Dr. Pavitra Naik, and Dr. Smriti Paul. So, as the Chairman of PG Council, I first welcome our Chief Guest, Professor Ramchandra Giri, sir, who is the Principal and Dean of Fakir Mohun Medical College and Hospital, Balasore. And we are happy to see you with us, sir, in today's afternoon. The purpose, the objective of this occasion that we are here, you are the fittest person to advise our research scholars on the occasion being in the teaching profession so many years in different various medical colleges of the state. Sir, we are really grateful to you. Then I welcome our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi, sir. So I can say one word. So he's on the running of third month in this campus from July 27, 2021. So he adopted the principle of Kaizen. The Kaizen means that change for better. Or what better we are observing today, that is a continuous improvement. So he is following that principle since his arrival, and he wants each month we should have this type of activity. And what we are now in this occasion, after 2 years suffering from COVID-19, we are again on this open pandal and obeying all the rules, procedures of COVID-19 to conduct this type of research conclave. Sir, we are grateful to you that for your inspiration and leadership quality to grow this university high and high. Next, I welcome our Director R&D, Professor Sabyajit Patnaik, sir. So he is also syndicate member of the university. He is already associated a number of activities of this university so far. Now he is assigned with the research and development, and today's occasion is one of the active R&D. So we welcome you. And the convener so-called, very young, dynamic, I welcome as a chairman that by Dr. Nihar Ranjan Raut, by whose dedication and involvement and with team spirit, with a short notice, we can make a get-together of all the researchers in the single platform. And besides, I welcome all the participants, researchers, that they have taken interest to enhance the quality of this university in a single day. They are working since a long years together, days together, but we have to give a platform where they can show their findings or outcome. So really we are happy that we could able to give the right platform to our researchers. So I welcome you all and thanks also for your cooperation. And then I welcome our so-called jury experts. They are coming from different renowned universities with their expertise and experience, and without any hesitation, they agreed to accept our invitation. And even so as to say that in two districts today this strike is going on, Mayurbhanj and Kalani. Still then they are coming yesterday night and staying to cooperate us. So really we are thankful to each and everyone. The expert jury came to help us. Again, I also welcome all the teaching faculties, so-called researchers. Those are involved directly, indirectly for this occasion. I welcome them also. And also I welcome all the employees associated, teaching and non-teaching for this occasion. And above all, I found that the print media, electronic and print media people, those who have taken interest to cooperate and popularize this type of event conducted in this campus. Really we are thankful to you people that besides your valuable time, you have taken interest for this occasion. And with this, I can say that this type of activity in the beginning will continue onwards in each month, and will again have interaction, discussion. And with this, I thank you, each and everyone.
Sir, I now request convener of the organizing committee, Dr. Rihar Ranjan Rao, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geography, Fakir Mohan University, to kindly come over and introduce the guest of the research conclave.
Thank you, Dr. Paddy. Esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi, sir. Chief guest of the session, Dr. Ramchandra Giri. Respected Chairman, PG Council, Professor Munish Chandra Adhikari. Director R&D, Professor Sabyasachi Patnaik. Honorable members of the jury of the conclave. Learned faculty members of the university and its affiliated colleges. Members of staff, students of this university, and the most important stakeholders of today's evening or this conclave, the research scholars of this university. We are extremely happy to have so many participants with us today. When we planned or when we thought of this program or arranging this program, we were thinking that we would hardly get 30, 40, 50 or maybe to the maximum 100 entries for the conclave. But we are very happy that we got almost 200, 182 entries from the research scholars of this university, and the entire thing happened so quickly. And as I said, the biggest challenge for us was to arrange the meeting, arrange the conclave in a physical mode, and just a couple of working days after the puja vacation was over. So I was a little bit worried, but I feel that, and I think that our Vice Chancellor could understand the dilemma probably, and he made sure that we don't lose our hope, and he in fact remained physically present till 10 o'clock in the evening he has been here since last 4-5 days. And I must say it in front of all of you that I forgot to give him a formal invitation letter which I had written, but in the load of work I probably forgot to do that. But I don't think that there was possibly a need of that because he is the head of our family, head of our household. So let me, as far as the agenda is concerned, let me introduce our guest. Our Vice Chancellor, sir, is known to all of you. And in fact, this is a family gathering, and other jury members who are from outside, they also are known to him. Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir joined this university as a Vice Chancellor 3 months back, and I had said it again many times before that during that 3 months or during this short span of time, he has made his intention very clear, what he wants from others. People in this university, and what he wants to do for the university. These are made, they have been made very clear to all of us. So I won't take much of time. I again thank you, sir, for blessing us, for being with us during the preparation of this workshop. We have with us today Professor Munish Chandra Adhikari, Chairman PG Council. He is a professor of physics, and he has been in this line, on this field for more than 32 years now. And before the job, before working or before getting engaged as the Chairman PG Council, he has also worked in several other assignments. He has handled several other assignments. We have with us Professor Sabyasachi Patnaik, Director R&D. He is a professor of Information and Communication Technology, and he is there since 2004. So, but the most important person that I want to introduce is the chief guest of today's function, Dr. Ramchandra Giri. He is the Dean and Principal of Fakir Mohan Medical College and Hospital, the medical college of our own city, our own area. He has a vast experience of teaching and research in the field of medical science. In fact, he completed 35 years of teaching in different medical colleges of Odisha just a month back. And he is an expert in the field of preventive and social medicine, and has hold the post of President IAPS PSM Odisha chapter. And he has numerous national and international publications to his credit, and I'm sure his valedictory address will immensely benefit our young research scholars who are present here. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our jury a bit because it was a confidential matter. We didn't disclose their names, but now it is open. So we are fortunate to have some learned faculty members from different parts of the states. We have juries members from the down south Berhampur University. Dr. Sarada Prasad Sahu is there, who happens to be a student of this university. So we should take something from his achievement, because I consider him as one of the best students our university has ever produced. So, but fortunately, and within a short span of maybe 5-10 years, he has been able to reach this stage. And with him, there is another associate professor, Dr. Manoranjan Misra, and I must say that Dr. Manoranjan Misra has published 15 articles this year with an impact factor between 2 and 8. So you just imagine how big his contribution is there to the science and all. We have also with us Professor Chinmay Pradhan and Dr. Sushant Kumar Padmali. Both of them are from Utkal University, and we, of course, the time was short, and we requested them to be with us, and we just made a request maybe a couple of days back, or maybe day before yesterday, or day before yesterday, and they were ready, and I was very happy that they accepted our invitation and joined us for this conclave. And we also have Professor Sujata Das, Madam, an Associate Professor of Computer Application, and Dr. Pravanjan Malik, both from Sri Ramchandra Banjara University, as well in North Odisha University. And again, their effort, their contribution must be appreciated, because today is a ban declared or called in Mayurbhanj, and many of our participants couldn't reach us. In fact, some of our staffs couldn't reach us, but they are here. So it's a really great thing, and we are fortunate that we have them with us. We are also having senior faculty members from different affiliated colleges. Of course, few of them had to leave us the meetings for their urgent some other assignments, but we had with us Dr. Ramesh Chandra Misra, retired professor of economics, Dr. Subhash Chandra Naik, retired professor of political science from Arunachal Pradesh. He has served more than 3 decades in Arunachal Pradesh. We have with us Dr. Rakhal Chandra Dharai sir, one of the senior most faculty member. He's a retired professor of Odia. Dr. Devasis Pati was there. He is an associate professor of English. We had with us Dr. Abdul Khalik Khan, retired professor of Urdu. Dr. Ramnath Dwivedi sir is there. He is from the School of Education. And we had also another professor, Dr. Subodh Chandra Misra. He is also from the School of Education from Bhadrak Autonomous College. So we had a learned and jury member to find out or to assess the posters that were displayed, that were presented. But the main idea was not to assess, not to bring out who is the winner, but to interact with you people. And I am pretty sure that you must have gained a lot. You must have gained a lot of their interaction with the research scholar must have been of some benefit to all of you. And just like our Vice Chancellor sir, Chairman sir also had helped a lot, cooperated a lot, and as the Chairman sir said that this is just a beginning. And our Honorable Vice Chancellor, of course, let me not use the word honorable, just officially declared it, we shouldn't use that word. But anyway, sir has had made it clear, or had already made an agenda that we are going to have this type of congregation or this type of conclave for our postgraduate and MPhil students also. And this is just a beginning, as Chairman sir said, and we will have many more events like this, and they will definitely be helpful for all of us. Thank you very much for coming here, for being with us for the entire day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nihar sir. And I'm very sure that this is an amazing learning experience for the research scholars, for academicians who have come from different disciplines, and they have gathered here, they have exchanged their ideas, learned from each other, and from the limitations that they have realized that is there in their research work, they'll definitely work upon that, taking from the suggestions that have been given by our respected jury members. So, taking the event forward, I now request the Director, Research and Development, Fakirmoni University, Professor Sabyasachi Patnaik, to kindly come and address the gathering, sir.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, esteemed Chief Guest, Respected Chairman PG Council, Professor Adhikari, and convener of this program. So, first of all, I will say that this research conclave, particularly when I got that letter as director R&D, when I got that letter I think around 25 to 1 month back, I immediately put up the file and immediately I dispatched the mail to all the heads that you intimate your research scholars so that it will be a successful event. So, of course, I appreciate that the convener of the program and his enthusiasm to arrange this conclave. It is remarkable. And apart from that, the interest taken by Honorable Vice Chancellor is tremendous. So, this type of research conclave is among the research scholars. They are doing their research in this university. Prior to this one research conclave we have conducted, that is in 2016, All India Research. But this particular conclave, why this is organized? Because to create a motivating factor among our research scholars, which was, I think, which was in a diminishing way, and now it will in a, I think it will take its increasing steps. So this is the, I think, we put a milestone so that it will go upside. It will never come down. And it will create by seeing, suppose a research scholar, he or she will see the research of others and what the questions the juries they are asking. By that, again and again he will be boosted up to do further more interesting things. So that is encouragement. That creates interest among these scholars. That is our objective. So that is the reason why this type of research conclave is organized in an university. And I am very much thankful to the juries. They have taken a lot of pain to come here. And they have assessed so thoroughly that when they were doing their observations, whatever they are asking the questions, I was there only. I was listening what they are asking, how the student is responding. That constantly that I was watching. That is the thing that I also learned something, and I thought that my students, they must have learned something from this conclave. And this type of event, if it will again and again it will be conducted, then naturally the researchers will be benefited. And by the way, our students, particularly the PG students also, they will be benefited from that. So, as the duty of the R&D Research and Development of FM University, it is to conduct such type of program so that we'll encourage the students towards the research. So again, I thank you everybody, and especially to jury and our chief guest. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It is, in fact, every one of us will agree that after a long gap that was created because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we couldn't meet each other in person for such academic activities. And now that this kind of a conclave has been organized, the enthusiasm, the glee that was very clearly visible on the faces of not only the presenters, but also the onlookers, people who judged, the jury members, the mentors who could guide the poster presentations, who could guide the research scholars regarding their research areas, regarding their presentations. So I would like to also request if any of the members of our jury would like to share their views regarding today's presentation. So we would like to hear from you. Yes. So, Dr. Sarada Prasad Shahu, sir is going to share his views regarding today's poster presentation activity. Sir.
A very good afternoon, everyone present here. Esteemed guests on the dais, revered members of faculty of this university, invited member of juries and all research scholars who have attempted to exhibit their research potential through the posters presented today. It's a very unique initiative, and in fact, from the core of my heart, I congratulate the university to organize such a beautiful conclave. And as an alumni of this university, I got a privilege to be a jury member, which in fact gives me a lot of confidence to grow in future. I believe a young university has tremendous potential to compete globally. We are living in an information economy and a digital economy where our outputs are immediately displayed in the notice board of various foreign universities. That's why we must have the orientation of globalizing Indian thoughts. We Indians have displayed to the world many more things beyond human imagination. But if we look at the Quacquarelli-Simons rating or Times Higher Education rating, our universities are not promisingly doing what is expected. That's why the focus of the policymakers, administrators, and the funding agencies is to improve our potential so that our papers can be published in high-impact journals, our research thesis can be displayed as an example in various foreign universities of higher repute, and that's the focus of such kind of conclave where students will be oriented. We have many limitations too, but we have to overcome. While interacting with the students who have made lots of poster presentation, I found also they need improvement, but I also congratulate them for taking the step to come up and interact with others and trying to display that they want to be a researcher. Being and pursuing a career of research is very difficult, but it is not impossible. A researcher is always a learner. I will not take much time, but I will say, Dr. Albert Einstein, an all-time philosopher, so far scientific inquiry is concerned, he once said, the rarest and most common of an intellectual trait is the capacity to doubt the obvious. Scientific inquiry starts from doubting the objective and subjective things that happen around us. And in a similar way, most of our students fail to conceptualize a research problem And that's why many of our research methodologies face a lot of ambiguities when we try to write a thesis, develop a paper, or try to write down a concept note, or trying to put a paper in a proceeding, in a conference proceeding. All are different things. We have to know, continuously interacting with our supervisor, making strong attention to the editorial reviews. When we submit a paper, we get critical reviews. And for research, we need critical thinking. Therefore, a philosophical or scientific inquiry must start with critical thinking. And critical thinking is something very different from memorizing, understanding, or calibrating our brain. Because when we ask something, a student asks where it is available. So many a time, research should not start from books. Research should start from your own introspection, understanding, reasoning, continuous interaction with environment. Because most of the research today, the foundation of research, Aristotle, Plato, Thales, Socrates, they have really gave a foundation of research from the interaction of man and nature. That's why it may be objective thinking or subjective thinking, it is always our reasoning capacity, critical thinking. And at last I will say that this poster presentation will definitely help students to write papers, and whatever feedback. In management category, I have seen 8 presentations, and I have interacted with all the 8 scholars, told them categorically what improvements they need to make it a full-length paper so that it can be accepted, at least in an index journal. We should also know the difference between what is an index journal, what is a peer-reviewed journal, so we should have the awareness of it. At last I will say, a problem accurately defined solves half of the problem. That means, when you are entering into a program called doctoral program, or an MPhil program which has been abolished by the recent national education policy. When we are entering into a doctoral program, we must take enough time to define our research problem. What exactly a research problem is, what variables will constitute a problem, what kind of data I will require, whether the data is available or not, the data collection process is feasible or not, the exact word I am using in the caption of the title, whether this is ambiguous or very much clear. So a researcher must move from abstraction to concreteness or crystallization of a problem. The more the things are abstract, lesser the probability of being successful as a researcher. That's why when you are feel disappointed, disheartened, follow the life of great researchers. How they have problems, what kind of problems they have encountered, how they have overcome it. Research varies from domain to domain. Methodology will vary from science to physical science. Even in social sciences, also methods will vary from anthropology to sociology to management. But the generic framework always remains same. Human mind is a fertile mind. Make your mind so much fertile that anything happen around you, as a researcher, capture it as a problem, narrate it, define it, try to solve it. Definitely, you will come out with flying colors. Fakir Mohon University has tremendous potential. It's a 20 years old university. I became a student from 2004, 2007 to 9 as a postgraduate student, 2013 to 17 as a PhD student. I found a lot of difficulties, but still I also find immense human capital of this university. Young teachers like Nihar sir, Santosh sir, Ashant sir, they're very young, and many young faculties have joined in the recent past also. As an alumni of this university, I request them, they have the major responsibility of creating a legacy of this institution so that it will stand as an exemplary for other budding universities and old universities of this state. I also request to our Vice Chancellor sir, who belongs to my fraternity, as a person of human resource management and as a pioneer in the field of human resource management, I request you, sir, to kindly improve the infrastructure for research of this university. And also, I request you to at least create a platform so that the institutional subscriptions for database like Web of Science or Scopus, and for qualitative research, the softwares like Atlas TI or Word Cloud and many other softwares, comprehensive meta-analysis, these softwares are very costly. So if institutional subscription is possible, I request you, sir, to kindly get funds from the government so that our research scholars and our teachers will have the privilege to conduct their qualitative and quantitative research and publish high impact papers in index journals. My humble submission is before all of you that a researcher's life is just like a journey. Without fetching the privileges of a destination, we must make our journey clear, because it's always the journey that leads to a destination. The paradox is mean end. We should not fall in the trap of Niccolo Machiavelli, where we say end justifies means. As a researcher, as a teacher, and as a faculty, as a fraternity where we believe that wisdom is supreme, we must think mean always succeed, ends fail. Therefore, I request everyone, make your mind fertile, enthusiasm should be bottomless, and growth, development, prosperity, sustainability is obvious. With this, I am indebted to Fakir Mohun University, its authorities, convener of this program, for giving me this opportunity to come from Berhampur University, sharing my views here. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Very truly put up that researcher is always a learner, and research must always start from introspection and go through interaction and critical thinking. We could feel your association to the university very much in the words spoken by you, and we hope that you'll keep coming to this wonderful institution ahead. I request the chief guest of this conclave, Dr. Ramachand. Any other jury member, if he or she wants to put forward his views. So please, if you want to, we would like to hear from you. Yes, thank you.
Good afternoon. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohun University, Chairman PG Council, Director R&D, esteemed Chief Guest, Coordinator of Research Conclave, esteemed faculty members, dear research scholars, students. As a jury member, I should encourage all of you. But while evaluating all of you, I am very harsh to all of you. So please forgive me, or I should apologize in front of you. But that should be the spirit, because you all have presented your all these posters in such a nice way that it becomes very difficult to assess who is the best. Because one is one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say up to 10 in science, it's all good, all are same. So I should say here that when you are choosing a problem, give emphasis to your local problem. Don't get biased that I have published a paper, or you saw a paper published in highly rated journals having good impact factor. Don't just follow it. Use your brain. Because research is your inquisitiveness. How to do it, what to do, when to do. These are the fundamental questions that should come to your mind first. And like your leader leading from the front, we all, the faculty members, students of Utkal University, we have seen, sir, that means many of our friends, they will also agree. Your Vice Chancellor, he is in true sense a leader. He is just not led by others. Unlike others, I should not speak here, it should be very political. Even if our politicians, those are led by others. But here the leader, he is in true sense a leader, and he will lead from the front, and he will not hesitate you all to support in whatever manner you want help from your Vice Chancellor. So all the best to all of you. We should not take much of your time, because time is very precious. So it's my sincere request, just don't sleep. Dream about big things. So life is not sleeping and dreaming something, but it's performing and making yourself dutiful. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. It is true that time is precious, but we have utilized it even more preciously by listening to your views. And I request... Are you okay?
A very good afternoon to everyone. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. I think my colleagues from Pakistan University, then the participants. I think it was a learning curve for me as a jury because when I was doing my PhD in JNU, when I was comparing with the PhD students, the kind of theme selected I think is the best one because I find themes which is local based, till cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning. I think as sir was saying, like think means globally, act locally. And other thing is like the future is machine learning, AI, this is coming up. So what I find like these themes can be transdisciplinary in nature. So like some of the departments if come up with transdisciplinary, you will get more citations and you will be, putting your paper in good journals. So if you make things more transdisciplinary, like some people, maybe from social science, maybe it's biotechnology, they are using artificial intelligence, they can do it. And other thing, I think I worked in all type of university in my life, internationally, central university, state university, every new university, where infrastructure is always a problem. So that cannot be our limitations. It is a kind of opportunity for us. Like right now, technology is changing like anything. As a faculty, I think we struggle with two things. One is learning, another is on-learning. So we move in on-learning processes. But as a student, I think it's a learning processes. And using the technology which is changing fast. When you will be looking for a job, the kind of technology which is going to be utilized is different what you are learning right now, which I really find when I work with the international market. So that's the reason when I came up, there is no infrastructure. Still, I use Google Earth Engine. This is a cloud computing kind of thing. I don't require all these softwares to do. That's the reason I come up with publications. Means like in our field, few people use cloud computing kind of things. But we don't require infrastructure if you do cloud computing. The Geo is giving you more enough broadband kind of thing which you can do. And other thing I think I will say, like the best way to predict future is to create it. I think Honorable Vice Chancellor is doing that. And the thing is, like logic will take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. And as a researcher, I always think we should think out of box. It's not like locally and all those things. Like if you do something unique, so people from internationally will try to connect with you. People ask me how you collaborate, because I have a lot of international collaboration, because it's not like that I am putting text to them. They are putting to me. Because I do some work which they recognize they want to collaborate with. Because like we used to do a lot of field works. So they don't do, they do desktop research because you are in the field. Like some people, I saw most of the research which is done in the coastal areas. I saw, means you can access to the field. Like somebody who is sitting in Delhi cannot access the field. You get field data. So that is the reason why they will connect with you if you do something different. And it's a learning curve for me. Like I learned many things. I find like when we do research, like 60% is student works. I don't know, 40% is supervisor work, like smoothing, visualizing, and everything. And that has to be integrated. I think the way our sir has started post-COVID kind of thing, like this is, we go for virtual kind of things. Right now, this is the first time, means I used to travel a lot. This is the first time post-COVID I traveled. So this is when, I think this is the kind of energy, passions you are putting into R&D sector. I don't think no university is doing right now in any of these state universities in Odisha. And this will give output, I think maybe next 2-3 years like this. So that's the thing. I think I'm really thankful to Niyar Bhai, who is also senior to me. And I didn't meet him a lot of years, so that's the reason I came here. So thank you very much, Miss at least giving a call and giving opportunity to be part of this and like a learning curve for the new place and interacting with young minds. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So 182 abstracts being received, out of which 154 were accepted and above 90 were put up for display today in form of posters from 21 different subjects. So it is very true that every worthwhile endeavor needs evaluation in order to determine if they have become distractions from their respective goals. So this is the importance of jury. and evaluation. So with this, I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. Ramachandra Giri, Principal, Fakir Mohan Medical College, to kindly come over and deliver the valedictory address. Sir.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, the dignitaries on the dais, the dignitaries of the dais, research scholars and members of this esteemed university. ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ତାର କାରଣ ଦୁଇଟା ଆପଣମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଏ ମିଟିଂ ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଭାଷା ଓ ସାହିତ୍ୟ ବିଭାଗ ये डिपार्टमेंट सामने रिसर्च जे केवल खाली आपनकर साइंस रे हुए ता नहीं रिसर्च लिटरेचर रे भी बहुत अच्छी रिसर्च भाषा रे भी बहुत अच्छी से भया जमे भाषार जहाँ को भाषा पाई जहाँ को लेखा पाई आमे आज एठी ओडिशा बोली कहूचे ओडिया गोटे भाषा बोली कहूचे नले पड़ोसी राज्य तो कहते जे ओडिया एक स्वतंत्र भाषा नय तो जो आम गर्व करुचे मु प्रथमे से मनीषी फकीर मोहन चरण रे प्रोग्राम टे करी जहाँ को जन्मभूमि अच्छी आउ जड़े सेमती मनीषी जी कि बालेश्वर को कर्मक्षेत्र बोली भावी ए मैन फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस जी कि डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम तांकु मध्य मु आरंभ रे प्रणाम करी कहीं जदि सारा वर्ल्ड रे सारा पृथ्वी रे सारा भारत रे आज किए के बालेश्वर को जानूचे चांदीपुर आईटीआर पाई आपण माने समस्त भी जानी थिबे केते तार प्रसिद्धि एवं केते तार आ जोठी की ये होची मानस पुत्र आपनकर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम तो ए दुई जन को मोर हार्दिक सम्मान जन सारा पुणी आउ गोटे सम्मान जनइबी कोरोना को कोरोना आम मान पाखर बहुत आमर नियर डियर रिलेशन को छड़े नहीं किंतु कोरोना आपणकर ये जो रिसर्च पर जी अवदान कर एकविंश शताब्दी रे भूलिबा कष्टकर आपणकर अतीत रे बहुत पैंडेमिक है प्लेग कलेरा स्पेनिश फ्लू बहुत है सबुथ देखा जाए पैंडेमिक कंट्रोल हवा को 4 ରୁ 5 वर्ष जाए किंतु देखंतु एबे आमे जो कोरोना भलिया सारा विश्व रे जो थे कि हाएस्ट मोर्टालिटी बर्तमान सुधा जिते पैंडेमिक होता सब अधिका मरीचंती एथिरे तथापि भी आमे ताको 2 वर्ष पूरी नहीं ताको आमे कंट्रोल करिया को बसले एफिशिएंट वैक्सीन आमे बाहर करछु वैक्सीन आमे एक्सपोर्ट करछु सो ए जो जिनिस संभव होई एटा होची रिसर्च आपण मान को भलिया रिसर्च स्कॉलर परिश्रम आउ ये जो रिसर्च फल तेणु करी ये जो कोरोना आमको बहुत शिखई रिसर्च अर्थ हूँ समथिंग बियॉन्ड सर्च रिसर्च द थिंग हैज बीन ऑलरेडी सर्च सर्च मीन्स स्क्रूटिनी हैज बीन डन minutely been observed minutely been seen observations has been taken very minutely but still again to search it why because there is no end to search search रो कोनोसी अंत न थाए जते खोजुथिबे सेते ता भितरु बाहरुथबो एटा हवा उचित गोटे रिसर्च स्कॉलर रो प्रथम ध्येय प्रथम इंटेंशन while he is researching to a research profession so research means to fill the gaps in the knowledge एबे देखंतु आगे आठी पड़ी गले संगे संगे किए भाविले कौन अच्छी बोधे से अन्यमनस्क थे पड़गले किंतु समथिंग जो ऑडियंस भितर कहले सीटी गोटे गैप हो जाए जो गैप पाई से पड़गले एक्चुअली गैप पाई से पड़गले तो ये जो जिनिस नॉलेज रे गैप पूरण करवा दिस इज द फंडामेंटल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ रिसर्च एंड रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स रिसर्च आम समस्ते भावु जे खूब बड़ बड़ इन्स्टिट्यूट दरकार बड़ बड़ से अमेरिका न गले आम रिसर्च करें इंग्लैंड न गले आम रिसर्च करें जर्मन न गले आम रिसर्च करें ना नथिंग लाइक दैट रिसर्च कैन बी डन ऑन वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स बाय सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशंस बीइंग ए मैन फ्रॉम पब्लिक हेल्थ I will give you one example from the public health. You must have knowledge that cholera is told to be the father of public health. Cholera, yes, one disease is told to be the father of the public health because all the developments in the public health, in the field of public health, has only come after the cholera. Do you know who was the person who discovered this transmission of cholera? In 18th century, one lawyer, Okila, he was working in Broad Street of London, जो थे कि टेम्स नदीर जल बही जाऊँगी से गोटे ऑब्जर्वेशन कले जे कहीं पर्टिकुलर गोटे एरिया लोक मैंने सफर कर कलेरा रे अन्य एरिया रे देखला बेलू ना क्लियर कट डिमार्केशन यही लाइन रो ऊपर को लोक मैंने सफर करूना ये लाइन रो तल को से मैंने सफर कर ऑब्जर्वेशन करू करू सी जाई पहुँचले कौन ना लंडन रो जो स्ट्रीट ड्रेनेज गुड़ा सब ओपन होती से जो ओपन होती तार तल को लोक मैंने कलेरा रे सफर कर सब हुए किंतु तार ऊपर को लोग सफर करूना सो ही फर्स्ट पोस्टुलेटेड सेते बेले आपन विब्रियो कलेरी बोली किसी डिस्कवर नहीं नला माइक्रोस्कोप बाहरी नथिला एमती बड़ बड़ साइंटिस्ट नथिले केही केबे नोबेल प्राइज पाई नथिले ये कलेरा कि कौन से माइक्रोबायोलॉजी ही फर्स्ट पोस्टुलेटेड दैट कलेरा इज ए वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज आज पर्यंत से आइडिया चेंज हो पारी कि स्टिल नाउ कलेरा इज ए वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज तो ये जो सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन सो सिंपल ऑफ द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग्स इज द वर्क ऑफ ए रिसर्च स्कॉलर ऑब्जर्वेशन keen observation minute observation can give you many research can make you success in many research fields तो लास्ट रे मु आपण मान को गोटे जिनस कहबी जे कि रिसर्च तो साइंस रे रिसर्च विषय रे कहि गली आपन जो भाषा कथा मु कहउथिले फकीरमोहन मनीषींकर भाषा कथा कहउथिले आपण माने जदि जानिथिबे जेते बेले हिस्ट्री पढिथिबे जेते बेले केउझर प्रजामेली हेइतला धरणीधर जहाँ को ना रे धरणीधर कॉलेज होती महाविद्यालय होती केउझर रे से धरणीधर जो विप्लवी से कौन करते प्रजा उवास को घेराव कर रखी से फकीरमोहन था दीवान केमिति राजा को मुक्ति करेंगे ये जो रिबेल मान कबल से गोटे चिठी लिखिले कौटी लिखिले चिठी गोटे घर को ये लिखिले कहीं समस्त को भितर निज फकीरमोहन भी अच्छा घेराव कर रखी आ घेराव तो शुणवाटा से आम समस्त घेरावटा अभ्यास आपण मैंने जानते यूनिवर्सिटी सार भी फेस कर कलेज फेस करुच्ची तो से टाइप रो ये जो घेराव कर रखी टोटाल राजप्रसाद को से गोटे चिठी लिखिले कौन से तो चिठी पत्र बाहर को दबार किसी नथिला जांच करी दौले तो सी लिखिले जो चिठी से चिठी लेखा थिला कौन बड़ भाई को से चिठी लिखुंट कौन ना भाई ना हेतु करी चिठी पढ़ उत्तर पटु महारा करी पानी बुहाइब 200 पान 400 गुआ उत्तर पटु पठाइब। देखंतु याकु जदि सेते रिसर्च करा न होई थांता ताकु जदि सिंपल बोली भाबी दी थांते हाँ चिठी तो गोटे लिखिछन्ती 200 पान आउ 400 गुआ हमें पठेई दबु से बसी पान पिड़िया पान भांगी खाइबे। किंतु सेते बेले जो एठिकार मनीषी माने थिले सेमाने जते बेले याकु कहले नाई फकीरमोहन केबे एमिति लिखिबेन जे पान गुआ खाइबाकु से आशा नथिबो लिखिबेन। टेकिंग इनटू कंसिडरेशन ऑफ दिस रिबेल कंडीशन से कहले नाई राजप्रसाद उत्तर पटटा केवल फंका अच्छी से जगह कहीं जोगी ना विद्रोही तो से पटू सैन्य पठा बछा बछा सैन्य 400 500 फौज से पटे पठा जहाँ कि यहाँ रक्षा तो से ही है जहाँफल कि विद्रोह दमन है एवं से समस्ते मुक्त भी है। तो ये जो भाषा भी जो रिसर्च तो रिसर्च इंपोर्टेंस जुगे जुगर रही आसी एबे भी अच्छी आगक भी रहिबो जेते पर्यंत ये मनुष्य सिविलाइजेशन थिबो सेते पर्यंत रिसर्च रो इंपोर्टेंस रही थी। लास्ट जिनस मु कहवा चाहूँगी कहीं आपण मैंने सूर्य अस्त होगा बसिले ही आम पिला काले पाठ पढ़ुले जिते आम गोटे शुणुले टीचर मैंने आमको कहते छुट्टी है कहते गुरुजी नमस्कार बेल बुड़ीला पढ़ा सरीला चलिलु आम घर आ तेणु कर बेल बुड़ीवा पर कौन पाठ फाठ किसी केस मनरे न था तेणु करी मु भी भावुँ ये आपड़िया दर्शक बेल बुड़िया को गला आपको शुणा धैर्य न किंतु शेष में मुझे गोटे जिन एडभाइस आपण देवे जे आप जो रिसर्च करूँ जिते सोफिस्टिकेटेड रिसर्च करूँ जिते साइंटिफिक रिसर्च करूँ जिते भाषा रिसर्च करूँ जिते लिटरेचर रिसर्च करूँ जदि से रिसर्च रो फल इज नॉट बेनिफिटिंग द कॉमन मैन द पुअरेस्ट ऑफ द पुअर मैन इन द सोसाइटी दैट इज नॉट ए रिसर्च एवं एटा आपनकर इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ रिसर्च रे लास्ट क्लॉज होची एटा तेणु करी मु आज एथिरे आशा करी जे आपण माने जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर माने आसीचंती रिसर्च रो एई मंत्रटी को मनरे नै से अनुसार रिसर्च रे आगे जीवे। आउ शेष रे मु हमर षडंगी सार त्रिपाठी सार जेहेतु मते डाकिचंती तांकू धन्यवाद अंतरतर मो अंतररू धन्यवाद अर्पण करी मोर वक्तव्य शेष करुची। धन्यवाद। जय जय।
सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपणकर उदाहरण आपण को शुणिया परे किछि लाइन ओडिया रे कहिदेबी तापर पुणी इंग्लिश को पळै आसीबी। सर आपण जहाँ कहले कि रिसर्च सब बेले आम समाज को किछि ना किछि गोटे बेनिफिट दबा उचित आउ कोड रे भी सही लिखा जाइछि आउ मु आशा करछि कि आम रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स माने जो माने अन्य अन्य कॉलेजेस रु आसिक आज पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन करिसेंती आ ए यूनिवर्सिटी रो छात्र छात्री माने भी एई जिनसटा को एई सारंकर कथा को मन रे रखी ध्यान रे रखी रिसर्च करिवे। So now the most awaited moment of the evening, we all want to hear the words from our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohan University. Sir, kindly address the gathering.
Esteemed chief guest of the occasion, Professor Ramchandra Giri, the principal of Fakir Mohan Medical College and Hospital, Chairman PG Council, Director R&D, convener of the conclave, my dear colleagues, teachers and non-teaching staff of the university, esteemed jury members, dear students, research students and students. ते भलो भलो कथा शुणिला परे मते शुणिया को धैर्य रहिबो सेटा आशा करबा वृथा हो। तथापि निहार बाबू को धन्यवाद देवी ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋତେ ପ୍ରିଜାଇଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ କହିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରିଜାଇଡ୍ କଲେ ତାଠୁ ଭଲ କହିଲା ଭଳିଆ କିଛି ଆଉ ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ କଥାକୁ ଫେଣ୍ଟା ଫେଣ୍ଟି ଗୋଳା ଗୋଳି କରି କହିବାଟା ସହଜ as given feedback by the juries that it was very difficult to choose best out of best. I am really thankful to the research scholars who have presented today, who have braved it to present their research in the posters, in the form of posters in this conclave and made this conclave a grand success. Nihar said that he forgot to invite me. I have a question for him. Will he invite his father to his daughter's marriage? If so, henceforth any function, you please give me a formal invitation. I will be thankful to you. Sir, Director Arandi said that it is a function and a responsibility of the R&D cell. I found this is not the end, this is the beginning. I have planned that this type of function will be there for MPhil students. No evaluation of dissertation in closed door rooms. It will be open, to be openly presented in posters. The externals will judge it in front of all. There will be a competition as well as openness in research. Enough is enough. The same will be followed for MSc and MS students. Because what happens, we all know. Dissertation is just for a dissertation. It's not allowed henceforth. So my request to all guides, all teachers, that they should be prepared to present their students, MA, MSc and MPhil students, in this open platform so that everybody will know that Fakir Mohan is into new research arena. As said rightly by Sarada Babu, that research should be from self-introspection, from critical thinking, and problem analysis, problem identification is the most important part of it. That I believe. Many a times we see that we read papers, we read theses, we read books. Finally, we draw a theme from those books, theses, and papers. Why not to open our mind so that we can find out a problem of our own, which is very local, based on our local problem, and finally, if we bring the solution to that problem, that is a great research. So my submission to all research scholars and the guides, Baleswar is still not explored. I had been to Kuladihar, I had been to Chandipur. I have not yet visited many places in and around this university. But wherever I go, whatever I see, a school, a village, the lifestyle in the village, the flora and fauna in the village, the establishment of village and its surroundings, the stone, the sand, everything is unexplored. Why not to explore this? And why not to have this in our mind, that our researches will revolve around all this. I know if we move around these and conduct researches, those will be indigenous researches. My request will be, let us explore everything here locally. Then we'll go outside. As said by our esteemed jury, that we have to improve the infrastructure. Definitely I will try my best to develop the platform for research. Maybe focus over science. So, provided you cooperate. And you heard Dr. Giri, who started talking about the ground researches, be it Pana and Goa of Fakir Mohan, or the scientific research. He said that he is thankful to me that I am invited him, but I now realize that this invitation was very much just and fair. You are the appropriate chief guest here in this research company, as I feel and as I have. I express my gratefulness to you that we only invited you day before and you agreed all on a sudden. The other thing, the other helping hand he has already extended to us, that we are going to have a triangular research with RCMR, Fakir Mohan Medical College and Hospital, and Fakir Mohan University on public health. I am thankful to you, sir, that this was needed, this is needed, and this will help this university and all three institutions to grow with research and development. I thank the team who are responsible for making this event a grand success. I admit it here. I have all praise to the team, Nihar, Santosh, Pavitra, Padmalita and Niti. You are wonderful. You have done it as it was expected to be done. I am also thankful to many others, like if I forget any name, please excuse me, but whatever I see, I am just expressing. I saw the contributions, therefore I am expressing. Rajashree, Asim, Jayanta, Jyoti, Prakash, Amit, Ravi, Arun, Sangram, Saddam, Jagannath, Chandan, Prabhakar, Bhaskar, and Ashish and many others. One thing I observed, that whatever may be the assignment to anybody, it is not limited to those few. Now my teachers are working in team spirit. Therefore I request you again, this team spirit must be maintained, so that we can, again I repeat, go together and grow together. Thank you very much for conducting this grand function, I should say. And I thank all the teachers, all the scholars, all the students who are present here to make it a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for always encouraging research activities like this. And when the captain of the ship is like you, we are very sure that this ship will definitely sail through all the problems.
I'm sorry for interruption. Again, I officially request you, please don't make me away from you by having a prefix before me, that honorable. I'm sorry. If it is repeated, I will work out the. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We'll keep that in mind. I now request Dr. I now request Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly felicitate the chief guest of this conclave, Dr. Ramachandra Giri, sir. I now request convener of the organizing committee, Dr. Niharanjan Rao, to kindly come forward and announce the name of the winners. Everybody who has participated is indeed a winner, but then there are few, as the jury said, best of the best. So, sir, kindly announce the name.
As Dr. Smiti said, everyone was a winner. But let me announce the names formally. We'll start with the subjects whose results came first. So it's not that someone whose name is declared late, he is the winner of winners. It's not like that. So we'll start from pedagogical science. There were participants from education and physical education. And the winner is the best poster award in pedagogical science goes to Ramachandra Majhi Education.
রিসার্চ করি বা যে পাইলে এটা পাইলে না টিকে স্যার হ্যাঁ
In commerce and management group, we have participants from commerce and management, and the award goes to Priyanka Priyadarsini of business management. Priyanka Priyadarsini.
ଜୁମ୍ ହେଉନି ପଛୁ ପଳେଇତେ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯାହାର ଜୁମ୍ ହେଉଛି ତାକୁ ଆଗକୁ ଦିଅ ଜୁମ୍ କିଛି ଦରକାର ଜୁମ୍ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ପୁରା ଫୁଲ୍ ନେଇ ନେବ ତ
Okay, we have the next category of humanities and social science. There were a lot of subjects: sociology, population studies, political science, economics, and maybe geography were there. So, and the winner is Debabrati Das from sociology. Debabrati Das, the best poster award in humanities and social science.
ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ହେଉଛି ଆମେ ଯାହା କହୁଛେ ସେ ପରେ ଶୁଣିପାରିବ ଆଉ ଶୁଣି ବି ପାରିବ
The next category is language and literature. We have participants from 3 subjects: Oriya, English and Hindi. The best poster award in language and literature goes to Chisti Das from English. The last category is science and technology, and we had 57 entries, the highest number of entries in this field, and the juries found it difficult to get one winner, so they have come with 2 names. It's not in order, but the 2 persons who are going to get the best poster award in science and technology are Divya Ranjan Das, biotechnology, and Shubhasri Avinash, information and communication technology. Can you get that? So now I request Dr. Smiti Padi to offer a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, many congratulations to the winners of the poster presentation for this research conclave. I usually don't like to give the vote of thanks, but lest I forget to mention, I have penned down. I am Dr. Smiti Padi from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, working as Assistant Professor. It is indeed a matter of great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion on the behalf of the entire organizing committee of Pakistan University, this Research Conclave 2021. At the very outset, I express my gratitude to the Odisha State Higher Education Council for having a wonderful mandate like Odisha Research Conclave 2021 to boost research culture in the state's higher educational institutions. I'm thankful to our esteemed Vice Chancellor for Fakir University, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, for believing in me and giving me this golden opportunity to be part of this wonderful organizing committee and for having our back in all our efforts and endeavors. Sir, thank you for knowing the way, going the way and showing the way all throughout. I thank and support throughout this organizing time of the conference and the administrative team of the university for their support in making the conclave hassle-free and smooth. My heartfelt thanks to the chief guest of the event, Dr. Ramachandra Giri, Principal at FM Medical College, for taking time out from his busy schedule and adding value and grace to the occasion and also making us recollect the great people from the land of Balasore. I'm grateful to the esteemed jury of our conclave for showing path to the researches put up for presentation today. The conclave wouldn't have been a success without the grand participation of scholars from various subjects. Team, Dr. Nihar Ranjan Raut, convener, the committee, Dr. Santosh Agarwala sir, Dr. Pavitra Mohan Naik, Dr. Padmalita Rautrai for working day in and day out, even on Durga Puja vacation to make the conclave a success. Thank you so much PG Department of Journalism and Mass Communication for covering this entire event, and I'm sure we'll be soon out with that with a wonderful short video put up on our YouTube channel Vyasha Darshan. Last but not the least, the backbone of the event, the foot soldiers, our volunteers who have worked day in and out for making sure that the arrangements are to the T. The posters. So this is just a beginning and many more such academic events to follow suit. Thank you everyone, and I request the posters may be deposited at the respective departments by the participants. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you.
One more formal announcement that we will share a Google link for obtaining feedback from the participants. So we'll send it to your email ID. Check your spam also and get back to us.